Good morning, student. Now today we are going to learn and write U sound word. We will make 3-letter words of un. Okay, in 4-line notebook. Now open the notebook. In previous video we learned and wrote letter O sound family words. Now today we are going to learn and write letter U sound words. Okay, we will make 3-letter words. So today un words we will write down, make 3-letter words. Now in corner you have to write down today's date. Okay, now here write down small u and n, un. U n, un. Sound of u is a. Okay, and sound of n is na, un. U n, un. Okay, like this you have to write down. Now start writing of 3-letter words. Write down b. Sound of b is b, sound of u is a, sound of n is na. bun, bun. Bun means पाव, ब्रेड, जिसे हम कहते हैं ना आई वॉन्ट टू ईट बन ऑफ ब्रेड। बन का जो ब्रेड है वो मुझे खाना है। सी दिस पिक्चर, bun, bun. Now write down small g, small u, small n. Gun, gun, gun. पुलिस shoot the thief with gun. पुलिस ने चोर को जो है गन से शूट किया। ओके, सी दिस पिक्चर, गन। sun, sun. Write down small s, sound of s is s, sound of u is a, sound of n is na. Sun. Okay, the first rays of the sun should be taken in the morning. सुबह सुबह की पहली धूप किरणें जो है हमें क्या लेनी चाहिए। ओके, सो दिस इज द पिक्चर ऑफ सन, sun, sun. Okay, now fun. Small f, sound of f is f, sound of u is a, sound of n is na. fun, fun. Fun means we had lots of fun in the swimming pool. हमने स्विमिंग पूल में बहुत सारी मस्ती की। सो सी दिस पिक्चर। नाउ वी विल राइट डाउन हियर bun, bun means bread, पाव। gun, gun means बंदूक। sun, sun means सूरज। fun, fun means enjoy, मस्ती। bun, gun, sun, fun. bun, gun, sun, fun. Okay, student, we will do activity. Write down here activity, activity. Okay, make a new word. Now you have to draw butterfly. Okay, this is the picture of butterfly. Now in butterfly we will write down here un. Okay, then write down here small b, write down here small g, small s, then write down small f. Now we will make 3-letter word. Okay, now first letter is small b, then write down here small b, then you have to join un. So which word is this? Bun, bun. Now next g, write down here small g, then write down un, gun. Now next small s, join un, sun. Okay, then write down small f, then write down fun, fun. Okay, write down here bun, gun, S-U-N, sun. F-U-N, fun. B-U-N, bun. G-U-N, gun. S-U-N, sun. F-U-N, fun. B-U-N, bun. G-U-N, gun. S-U-N, sun. And F-U-N, fun. You have to do like this, okay? And write down 2-page words. You have to make 3-letter words, okay? You have to write down like this, 2-page, 1 page here and another page here, and this activity you have to draw butterfly on this paper, okay? And learn the spelling. Writing should be neat and clean. Learn with sound, okay? And click the photo and send on the group. We will meet next video. Till then, bye bye student.